Indians are very strong in mathematics. Hyderabad has become a hub for IT and highest per capita income in India, contributing Hyderabad 75% income for the state. I can announce proudly, all over the world, every 4 or 3, one is Indian in IT sector. Among Indians, 35% are Telugu community all over the world, including India. Now, America is having Silicon Valley. We wanted to create Quantum Valley in India. That is where Andhra Pradesh comes. That is the inspiration. We are having to start Quantum Valley and also quantum computing. As wife can live without husband, husband can live without wife, both cannot live without cell phone. Biggest advantage for India, young India. Always youngsters can take risk. While all other countries are facing aging problem, this demographic dividend advantage will be there up to 2047. Now I can say proudly, India's population is 146 crore population. China's population is 130 crore now. India will increase up to 170, 165. China population will be 100 crores. It is decreasing now. So, Indians can service the Indian community 80%, 20% can service global community now. Both corporate and public governance, that is the power of India, that is the power of population in India by using technology. Nobody can beat India in development. So these are all three advantages. How to create that ecosystem is important. Today also we had some meetings, all experts. I am only a policy maker. I will protect everybody's interest. If I cannot promote, nobody can promote quantum computing or deep technologies in this country. Fortunately, now we are having a Prime Minister. He is ahead of me. He is always thinking future. Earlier I have seen so many Prime Ministers, I used to talk to them. Sometimes they used to say, we won't understand why you are making me to suffer. That were the days. Today, if I talk something, Prime Minister will give not only answer, he will give a solution. That is how he is working. We are proud, that's where I am saying always, right time, right leader, right place. That is Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. We can create wealth. We can generate revenues. Again, we can spend money. That is how economy will run. So all friends are here. It is a win-win situation. All ecosystem players I am requesting, you join us for this great momentum. I don't have any doubt, from Vijayawada or remote village in Andhra Pradesh, you start a company, you can serve the global community. That is the power today. That is going to happen for future. With this, for all our endeavors, quantum computing is going to play very crucial role. It will be next level. It won't come below this. With this excellent meeting, always I am saying I am a student, learning from others, and through public policies, I wanted to implement for the empowerment of people. Even today, by sitting here 4 or 5 hours, I am writing everything. I am understanding next level of technologies, how to integrate in my governance. I am very happy. Excellent occasion, very good momentum. Today you are going to declare Amaravati declaration. That declaration will take it up to the logical conclusion. I am assuring you again and again, any hurdles, I will work it out, I will sort it out. But Government of India is here, there won't be any hurdles now. Everything is positive. So, good luck for all of us. Thank you.